In this video, I'm going to show you the best Solana meme coin trading platform out there right now. Now, this platform is actually called the Axiom Pro, and in case you don't have an account yet, there's a link down below in the description, as well as in the pinned comment, and if you sign up using my link, you'll get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever, so make sure you check that out, because it's really the best platform out there you can possibly use to buy meme coins, and trade them, of course, together. Now, this platform, why I'm saying it's great, is because it's just packed with some premium features that are completely for free, and then on some other platforms you have to pay for them. So let me show you some of them over here. Now, the first one down here is the most viral thing, and it's actually called Twitter Tracker. So you can just go to trackers over here, you can completely customize your feed, add in different handles from different people over here, and then you can just see your Twitter alerts. And not just only that, you can of course also pin this to your screen like that, put it anywhere you want like this, and then you can just always see it when you're trading around the platform. So that's the first reason I think Axiom is amazing. The second one is the wallet tracker. So it has a wallet tracker where you can basically put in different wallets, and then after you do so, you can basically check live trades over here, and this can also be pinned to your screen whenever you are trading different meme coins. Now, these are, in my opinion, the best two options, and of course, it's not just that. They also have the feature where you can basically buy $500 worth of crypto or Solana on here without any KYC, and they're powered by Coinbase. So in case you've never traded meme coins before, this is the place where you can just easily start. Now, of course, besides that, you can also essentially just change fees on here. So there's no stable fees. You can just change them by going down here to presets, where you can change your slippage, priority, and bribe fees over here for both the buy and the sell settings. And you also have 3 different preset options where you can essentially just change these and then use them as you are trading. Also, they offer perpetual trading, so in case you are into trading perpetuals, you can do that over here as well, because they offer this too. They also have an amazing rewards program where they give you 30% of the fees on all your referrals. So in case you are referring people on here, if they trade, you get 30% of the fees that they pay, which is absolutely amazing. They also have a great P&L tracker over here, which you can put on your screen like this, and then you can always have it on top so you can see how you're doing basically. And then there's one more feature we just got added, which is called turbo mode. Now, usually you have to pay for these things, but over here it's actually pretty much free. So if I go to my wallet, let me just head on to account and security, manage wallets. There we go in a second. Okay, so you can turn on this turbo mode. Now what this will do, it will actually make your transactions much faster, because it will automatically adjust the ratio of priority and bribe fee to basically beat out their transactions. And it's a premium feature. It only costs on here, as you can see, 0.0073 Solana, which is pretty much free in case you're a trader, because of course it costs a bit to make these nonce accounts over here. And yeah, that is pretty much that. Of course, they have a lot of different things. They have trading, they have different filters. You can basically just put in for new pairs, final stretch, for migrated coins. You can have a lot of different filters to filter out those scams you don't want to be seeing on here. You have the metric filters, social filters, and then you can of course also set different stop losses and take profits. So let me just go for a random coin over here. As you can see, you can set both take profits, you can set stop losses over here, you can track pretty much everything, you can see different, let me just show you this. So you can, if you go to top traders over here, you can just basically open in different wallets and see how they're doing, what their values are, how much they're making, etc. And you can just basically copy them very easily. And yeah, these are the reasons why I think Axiom is the best trading platform for Solana meme coin trading. So again, there's a link down below in the description, as well as in the pinned comment, and grab your 10% off on fees with my link. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.